Hello, today I am in Johnny. I am shopping for some odds and ends for the upcoming holiday season. Beautiful, beautiful flowers as you enter the store. First thing I'm going to look for will be some bottled tea. One that I'm looking for today is called Purely. I like Purely. I don't like Turkey Hill. Turkey Hill does not come in a bottle. It comes in a plastic container. Today I'm looking for bottled tea.
You know, if you go to buy all the seasoning for a
I
price,
selected
it's like
the store because
No, it is. Oh, seasonings aren't cheap.
it generally has great prices
Why would you say?
as far as their overall groceries are concerned. And again, I'm here for a few items today. This Tazo before. It looks interesting because it is an herbal tea and it is caffeine free. So just to get a closer peek. That's something interesting. And I've never heard of it, never purchased it. This down here, oh, that's coffee, so that's not the one. Well, we're looking for bottled tea. So, I think I am going to go ahead and get what I came in here for, which is the Pure Leaf Sweet Tea. It says it's real brewed. Well stocked, as you can see, flavor. I see other selections of the bottled tea.